Welcome to your channel. Today we are going to talk about gumball, ortho and grid snap in SUBD and how to change the shape, size and movement of objects. In the bottom bar of the software, you can see the options that help us to model more easily. First, let's go to grid snap. Grid snap gives us guidance points so that it is easier to draw and move models in the software. Even in some cases where it is necessary to change the distance of the points, there are its settings. The next option is ortho, which is a guide for us with a series of angles and helps us draw lines in the direction of those angles. This command can be executed by using the Shift button and holding it. OnSnap turns on and off the options at the bottom of the pages for us. First, we draw a series of pages with a certain number of pieces. As you can see from the top of the page, you can specify the number of these divisions and increase or decrease it. Then we draw the volume of a rectangular cube and divide it by 4. Now we need a series of directional arrows to move this model and we call it gumball. To activate gumball, select the gumball option from the bottom menu and see that these arrows are shown to us easily. By using this small square, you can scale the objects, but in one direction. In order to scale the objects in all directions, you need to hold down the Shift button. To rotate the object, we rotate it in the desired direction using this curved line. By using the Control and Shift combination buttons, you can select a part of the SUBD model and change it with the gumball tool and give it a shape. It can also be scaled. With the Tab button, you can change your viewing mode to simpler pages and even make the changes you want on them. In normal mode, gumball only shows us the X, Y, and Z directions, but sometimes we need to move the object in its own directions. For this reason, we right-click on the gumball in the bottom menu and select the Align to Object option. By selecting this option, you will see that it can be easily moved in the direction of the object itself. Using the tools on the left, you can draw different basic shapes and implement the details you want on it. Be sure to practice so that you can remember the tutorials, and if you have any questions, ask me in the comments section. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Goodbye.